One of the most common questions we get asked here at EF San Juan is, why is my solid wood door not one solid piece of wood and a bunch of glued up pieces? Let's get into that and I'll answer that question for you. So, a lot of people expect solid wood to mean one chunk of wood for every piece of a door. And while doors can be made like that, and honestly it's easier to make them that way, all these pieces of wood throughout the tree transition, they move differently. And if you make a door out of one solid chunk of wood, you're completely at the mercy of that one solid chunk of wood. If it gets a crack all the way through it, that crack goes entirely through your door. We glue up a bunch of small pieces of wood in what's called a stave core and then apply veneers. This allows us to create a stable core where all of the counteracting forces of each piece of wood add up to a single straight piece that's much less likely to move in different ways over time. But in addition to that, it allows us to put two veneers of any look that we would like. So if we want a plain sawn, beautiful cathedral grain like we spoke about in episode 1, then we can actually put plain sawn veneers on both sides of this stable core and not have to worry about the instability we talked about of that plain sawn board cupping and changing over time. The combination of all of those forces and movement of that wood results in a product that stays straight over a long period of time. This piece here was all glued up years and years ago. This piece has probably been outside for 7 or 8 years, and the overall block has stayed straight. There's cracks, there's checks, there's small amounts of movement within it, but this is what an engineered product does versus just one solid board of wood over time. Why don't we head over to the manufacturing floor and check out how these stave cores get put together with some fresh wood and see the process behind the scenes. If you're enjoying these episodes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Drop a comment and let us know things that you'd like to learn about, things you'd like to see. We want these to be something that people enjoy watching, so please share with your friends, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time on Real Wood.